Identify figures A and B. Start by cutting out figures A and B along the solid black line. Then color. Grab figure A. Valley fold on dashed lines to crease. Mountain fold on dotted lines to crease. Using the glue or tape, attach the tab number 2 to the back of the right side of your volcano to form a partial cone. Valley fold your volcano core in half, then open it up. Using glue or tape, attach tab number 1 to the back of the left side of the volcano's core. Here is figure A. Identify the core of your volcano. Mountain fold on dotted lines. Using glue or tape, attach tab number 4 to the back of the left side of the volcano's core. Using glue or tape, attach tab number 3 to the leftover piece.